Wagwan fire Empress.
Big up yourself.
Wagwan for this. So yeah, deal it. Boy, they are stressed down, you know, too. Nothing now, what?
You want that drink?
Yeah, man, so what about the thing there?
Yo, I'm not here for uncle tonight. We are trying profile up and all. Like I say, man, tell you when you go over there, say, you know. After things tell him go page, you know. But I think everything will come through by his feet, man. You see it, so if you just go and hold it off, let's you see it. Give him something there, moment.
Okay.
Yo, right, you know, we can't wait for uncle in the car. We here one, you know. Yo, mom's about to give me phone, you know. Yeah, stress, nothing down. Why, you know, it's a hustler. Now me I try to make it. Alright, no come back there too long. Look how long we go over there.
So yo, you clear for loan already?
No, that is the problem we have right, you know. We all to sell the house.
The money go come through, man. Uncle not tell us everything is still true. And uncle is a serious youth, you know. Because the ultimate thing is we have money and can turn up in a hurricane and a joke talk in a youth. So you see, just the fact saying, we get a look at chum change. I have to feel so pleasant about it, you know. But anyway, I have some ideas in my head to make more turnover for me and when they come through and do me have to do enjoy me make it in a Jamaica and get a piece of the pie, the real way, because we need to live on the house. We don't have a house on the inside. We need to have a house on the inside.
Okay, that's stress, but that's very good.
What I say, yo, just calm down and have a drink, general, because everything will come through, right? Just have a drink and build. Because at that moment time I'm stressing, I'm stressed, I find the prettiest girl then. They're around.
I'm going to say she pretty still because her pussy look good.
Girl, it's there's some there me a talk about. You get on me and say like you go places, yeah, your boyfriend go places. Only thing me do just the hear so every single day. I'm not do anything, lock up in the house. I just can't bother. Him not have no money, him can't do nothing for me. Him can't carry me gun on any place that mama want to go. But I just can't bother with this year no more. I'm just so over this whole entire relationship right now. I swear. And you get car? Girl, what kind of car? What? Benz? No, girl. I'm not my friend. Am I a friend? I'm single right now, so you have to go hook me up on one of them friend them, you know. Just that me ask about. I'm single because I'm done with him. You all get care of me, not get nothing. I can't go anywhere and you go all of them hotel every single weekend. No, girl, I'm single. So, if him have any friend, just know I'm ready for mingle, you understand? Wait, so when they give me? You know, see why I give me day and night? Walk, cleans. That's all me I get every single day. I tell us I'm done, and my bag pack and I'm ready to go right now. And I go and try to go before him come back. So, hold on.
Yes!
Girl, let me call you back. Here, let me go call you back. You sound like you're outside. Let me call you.
Honey, I'm home.
Honey, I want you to sit down. You wouldn't believe what just happened.
What just happened?
I can't believe it. I just got a check for $1 million. You take it out and look at it, baby. Take it out and look at it. Oh God, we're so filthy rich now.
1 million? Hello?
Yes, baby.
So we can get married now?
Oh, most definitely,
And
baby.
we can buy a car?
Oh my God, anything you want. You want a cow, you want a goat, you want a pussy, you want a dog, you little poodle dog. I'll buy you anything you want, baby.
And we can finally move out of this house?
This boathouse, we're gonna go in a wall house, baby, a big ass house.
I'm so
Where you
happy,
got
I love you.
Upstairs and downstairs.
I love you, baby. I'm never leaving you.
Oh, I love my baby.
Ah.
Let me get some lotion on my... Honey, what's this?
You know, say, just clean. They clean up today, and we just know say some stuff did in that, so we just sort them out and put them which part they're supposed to be.
Okay, baby, that's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl, always cleaning. That's why I love you so much, baby. You're a clean girl. You always keep my place clean and nice. Mwah. We're gonna wed now, baby. Oh, goodness.
How are you, the bye-bye?
No, man, I feel out, you know, brother, you know.
So drop down the road then now.
No, brother, you know, some last key, brother.
Yo, I feel bike, or teeth that teeth them bike road.
Yeah, light me up, man. I teach me a teach. You know, some stress, dog.
Dan, how you feel teeth and poor people? You're a madman, man. Keep a man bike over there up to the dog, man. I want decision take you. Decision depend on where they want more destruction. You have destruction in the yard and bar problem. Yo, can't man back up the bike over the yard, man. Poor man come out and see that move with the bike. Can't bike, man.
Alright, brother. Alright, man, tell him. Watch it, brother.
I'm make woman make you know the sort of thing.
When it's love, it's love. You can't stop doing things you know.
Yo, how you come from a bike, my youth?
You know, say how a man down the road and try to teach your bike you.
See, they are turn up a footman bike on the stand, youth. How you move, sir?
No worry about that, man. Thank God he come in. You know,
Yo, mind I drop my bike, you know.
no worry. Come on, let me show you when there.
Yeah, man, true man tell her, man. I true man tell her, you want to come black shot, man. Come show you, man, in the pan
You're
road,
lucky,
man.
you know, youth. Alright, I don't know. You don't know bike, I have to buy in the youth.
See man, that same man in that blue shirt.
Who that man there?
Yeah man, him same man.
Alright. Hey boy, you made a teeth my bike, boy. Eh? Yeah, bad teeth now. Hey boy. You don't have a teeth back, boy. Eh? Yo, man, a teeth back, boy. Teeth back, boy. Teeth back, my youth.
Why, babes, I'm sorry, so I can't come with you today. But I'll go on the 1 day work and you just go on down in the town and go do your thing. Alright?
You know, so me know if you do it thing already, man. Cause you see like how me want a primo for my Christmas, New Year, me have to rum in the place, you see it. So anytime me money make a primo we say. See?
Alright, babes. Just
Alright,
go and do
so
your thing. Alright.
The
Later,
money
yeah?
we I make today, you know.
Alright,
Nah,
later.
nah, no joke thing. Money we say.
Alright, later.
Alright, cool, later.
Yo, bossy, honestly, I really appreciate the fact that you give me a little work, you know. I not lie, man, cause you know much somebody me link to work and I know me can't get a work.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Love boss get a youth, you know, you're a good youth, man.
See, bossy, right now, me would never this say, you know. I would never this say, man. You're a general, man, I
Yeah,
swear.
man.
Yeah, man, you're a general, man, but that's how things said, you see it?
I eat some lunch and then finish up your work.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Me I beg you one money in my pan.
Oh, Lord. What on?
Me there, me in need of some money, me well in need of some money.
Pregnant, man. What's that?
You can't read.
I can't read.
You know say a pregnant woman. With me want money, you know see it?
Can I baby boy?
Boy. But the next time you give me no money, no give me no silver money, next time I paper me want.
Alright, mommy, don't worry.
Alright,
Take
thanks.
care, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, boy, I keep though. How do you doing?
Me there man, me I look some money.
I can't get a thing else, you know. I put a thing in my pan, man. I put all that money in my pan. Here.
Let me see how much money they give me.
Yeah, man.
3,800.
Yeah, man. One love, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, where see I going now, Susie? Yeah, man, me I tell her, man, yo, the boy have things now, man. Boy ready for you order now, man. Yes, the boy a chop now, man. Everything up and running, man. Where you say, man? Know yourself, man. Me I tell her for a long time, say, man, you have money, you know. Man, you have money, girl. Me tell her for a long time.
no talking thing, man. Cause I remember say, when I have no money, you know, you tell me the same thing. So now, I don't talk for you, know, cause now you like I will tell you. Totally know my business, you know. Yo, cool, yeah, man. I'm not talking, you know. Money thing me say, you know. So I have my money now, I know I'm talking. Alright. Later, man. Later me talk. Yo, cuz, you see yesterday man tell us I don't even put them bike and see them now. You not get the money yet? Me say not get it yet. Yeah man, you somebody are driving with the check man. Yeah man, the next cousin I will check a driver now and carry. I look for everybody. Everybody will get their money this evening to tonight. So don't worry yourself man. Yeah man, what you say? How much money I get on the check? $1 million man, let me say I'm sure. $1 million, I'm sure. I'll take a picture of it. Yo, more call her back. Yeah, you know, so that's what I come from my friend. Just drop it on the road, you know, I come up, you know, drop it on my pocket. Thank you very much, man. It's very important today. You know what? You know what it is? Know yourself, man. It's a local agreement or something. So thank you for finding it still. No like when people find all. So I'll set me. You know, say not much. So you can buy a baby one called Sweetie. You alright, little girl? You alright? What is your name? Hmm? Are you fine for me? How fine? Thank you, here. You'll be a nice good girl. Thank you.
You're not paying no money for me today.
No, but my mommy give me them baby clothes here. They can't fit with no more.
Baby clothes?
Yes. Some nice baby clothes they can't fit with.
Where you see mark on this? Look for my placard.
What you mean no mark on that?
Eh? Pregnant woman, the money me want. Me did ask your mama for clothes. Me not ask your mama for no clothes and me no want no clothes from you. And matter of fact, them your all clothes that way you wear from your baby. Know you're 20-year-old. You can't give me all clothes. Long time, all girl, me no want no clothes. The money me want. Take you and go give your mama and tell your mama if you wear them if she don't know if you do with them.
You're going. You're on home, man. You know your baby father. If you know your baby father, go look for your baby father.
Dirty girl, yeah, your mama would no dirty clothes them. My money me want. Me no want no dirty clothes from you. Wait till I hold you. You see all you little girl, you think me no joking with you, I'm going to box in your mouth. Have manners. Right. Like a good amount of money, man. Right now, I'm tired of that spot there, you know. Babes, I see the money we want for a long time, much years. My uncle just give me it. $1 million. You can't believe it?
We're rich now.
What? We're rich. We're rich. A long time we want the money.
Bossy!
Where you calling for?
Bossy!
No, we're rich. What do you mean you're rich?
Me no business if you're rich. Want 20 black up there right now.
We're rich. Look more.
Yo, want 20. Yo, Virgin.
What we get y'all carry?
Yo, second. Bomba. The man gone to Bomba.
We're rich.
Hold on the babes. Me left my favorite shoes. Hold on panics. Me soon come up. Me I go for my
Your
shoes.
favorite shoes?
Yeah, me I go for my shoes.
Then me no can buy back shoes for you.
Soon come.
Make me go downtown and find a new man and see if me no give the new man for your share. You don't want no money, man. Me no can buy one new shoes give you. Run go on back for shoes. Let me find a new man and you with me.
if you have not subscribed to the channel as yet, please feel free to do so right now and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when we upload new content. The channel is growing. We're at 8,000 subscribers and we are growing like wildfire. We want to say a big up to everybody that has been supporting the channel. We want to make mention of one specific person. Damien, you have been supporting our cause and we appreciate every bit of the support. And if anybody out there want to support the channel, maybe it may be financial support or just telling somebody about it or sharing the content, we appreciate it also. So big up on yourself and thank you to everybody that's a part of the movement. All of the actors, them curious, everybody, big up.